Black Friday deals are coming in hot. I've gone and rounded up the hottest Black Friday deals for you right here to check out. First thing on the list is Down for Sound. Everything Down for Sound, their store brand, is heavily discounted for Black Friday. Most of these deals for everything in this video is going to be good through Cyber Monday. First is the Down for Sound DVX subwoofer line. I've got the 18 sitting out in the garage. I'm working on building a box for it right now. Wish I would have waited to Black Friday. I could have got that 18 for about 80 bucks less. Up on the screen is the 15. The dual 2 ohm 18s are all out of stock. This is a big monster SPL subwoofer. It's rated for 1700 watts. I suspect it can take a whole lot more. If the DVX line is too much for you, they've also got the DBZ line. These are all 1300 watt subwoofers available from an 8 up to an 18. Less power handling, less money. Also deeply discounted for Black Friday. And of course, where Down for Sound really shines is their amplifiers. Every single one of their amplifiers is on sale. I'm personally running a JP23 right now in the blue. I've got a JP8 on my test bench also in the blue. Here's a JP13 in the blue, 1300 watts. That'll match perfect with that DBZ subwoofer. I also exclusively use their Down for Sound wire, also on sale. And of course, links to everything are down in the video description. So those affiliate links do help me pay for what I do here on the channel. Up next on the list is Savard. If you'll go straight to Savard's website, not their eBay or Amazon store, you're gonna get the best discounts. This right here is their HiQ 15-inch subwoofer, usually $360, now $273. That's the Black Friday sale, good through about Cyber Monday. I'm not really sure when they'll shut those off. And if you use my code DIY Audio, they'll knock another 7% off of everything on their website. I've got a set of these 3-inch Neo mid-range speakers sitting out in the garage. They're gonna go in my 3-way front stage. They're normally almost 170 bucks. They're gonna be 150 plus the additional discount with my code. Savard's known for their big subwoofers, but they also make some really nice tweeters. This is the Neo tweeter right here. I'm currently running these in my truck and they sound amazing. Definitely top-notch stuff. Black Friday is a great time to be looking for tool deals. This right here is a tool I picked up recently. This is the M12 4-in-1. It is a simple 12-volt driver with several different attachments. The big thing here is it has this right angle attachment. This is great for getting to those tweeters up in the dash where you're up against the windshield. I'll make sure to give you a link. It'll be right here on the screen. It's heavily discounted. It's my new favorite tool. I use it on every single thing that I build. Speaking of tools, this right here is the router that I use. I've actually got 2 of these. I bought a fixed base and I bought the plunge base kit right here. This is the Bosch 1617 kit. I've been watching the price of this thing over the years since I do own a couple of them, and at 170 bucks, this is the lowest you're gonna see. Again, I'll make sure to give you a link down in the video description so you can find it quick and easy. If you're new to routering, you're gonna need a router bit set. Here's a good quality Bosch set. It's your starter set. It's got the basic starter router bits that everybody needs. If you're looking for some speakers, I did a review of these home speakers right here on my channel last year. This right here is the OS10. This is the exact same drivers as the Overnight Sensations kit from Parts Express with a Bluetooth amplifier and a DSP. Normally priced, it's about 10 bucks more than the Overnight Sensations kit. And so you can buy this set of speakers right here with an amplifier built in for less than the kit. This is something for your kids, a little stocking stuffer item. It is a Bluetooth speaker kit that's designed to get kids interested in this kind of thing. When I bought it, it was 20 bucks. Right now for Black Friday, it's $13. At 20 bucks, it's kind of meh. At 13 bucks, I think it's a good deal. If you got kids between the ages of about 3 and 10, this would be a great starter kit for those kids. Sit down and spend a little time with them on Christmas morning. Now, right now, if you hit the Black Friday deals, you're gonna find a whole lot of these generic Chinese head units like this brand right here. I've been saying for at least a year now not to buy any of these. If you're in the market for a touchscreen head unit in this price range, just skip right over the generic brand that no one's heard of and get the Boss. For a few bucks more, you can get a brand that at least has a good warranty. I know some people running some of these Boss touchscreens, and I've actually got one out in the garage that I'm going to review as soon as I get a chance. But don't buy head units from Amazon, because to make a head unit work, you need all the other stuff to go with it. So just go on over to Crutchfield and get your head unit from Crutchfield. They'll make sure you're set up with the right dash kit and the right wiring harnesses to actually make it work in your car. And right now, also on Crutchfield, everything Alpine is on sale, so all of their subwoofers are on sale. Always check the scratch and dent section in Crutchfield. Everything I've bought scratch and dent from them was just fine, and they're always a little bit cheaper. I prefer to buy my component sets from Crutchfield as well because they'll throw in a wire harness to make it easier to plug into your factory system, and they'll throw in some basic mounting brackets. So there's 20 or 30 bucks worth of value you're going to get from Crutchfield. The JBL stuff is deeply discounted. They make some really good sound quality components. Make sure you also check out the deals on Infinity. They're made by the same company, and they're basically just brand engineer these things. So you want to compare JBL in one window and Infinity in the other window and look at the specs and make sure they're the same thing and buy whichever is cheaper. If you're looking for subwoofers, I've been a fan of Kicker since the 1990s. All the Kicker subwoofers and preload enclosures are also heavily discounted for Black Friday. There are always a ton of Black Friday deals out there, but that's all I've got for you today. Y'all enjoy the holiday weekend, and we'll catch you in the next video.